So beautiful. Kita dah pergi camping ni. So nice camping here. This place is awesome. When you go down and see, no, it's not a camping spot. We're actually in my friend's factory warehouse here. They made their own 270 awning system, which they're going to sell shortly. As you can see here, this is a prototype they've done on the Navara, and it's pretty good. I mean, this is a test. Obviously, they mounted on the rear side of things. It's supposed to be on the front, but as you can see, it's quite nice. It's quite sturdy. It's quite big. Look at that. Nice. And this is his Everest, as you can see. Let me show you there. Look at that, you know. And basically, all we do is, I got a strap there. If I pull this, wow. Yeah. So one pull all the way there, and you can see it's done. If you're out camping with one pull, you've got that wide setup done for you. And it's pretty cool because this is actually 7 feet wide from here to here. So you got a big area for you to camp. And from this point to here, it's about 6 feet. So you can fit a tent inside quite nicely. As you can see there. You know? This is yet to be painted yet. We're gonna paint this shortly, but check that out. How thick that is. Thick material.
And strap at the back.
Yeah, and this is pretty thick also. And they got D-rings there, so you can mount your string so that the water can flow down. Very strong material. This is like a lorry canvas kind of material. You see that? Extremely strong. Yeah. So they got version B coming out, but that one I cannot show you. but this version itself is pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. So it's all mounted, and what happens is once you do this, you fold this up and roll it and keep it there. You'll come with a bag. Yeah.
Let's check it out. The in front one.
Hmm.
This is another sample that we do. Basically, the mechanism is almost the same. Just the size, different size, the smaller size, the medium.
I guess you need to have
size.
different material type for
Hi.
different requirement, different cars, different trucks, like, no?
So a few pieces that we done during the MCO.
So this is another version of it. This is actually bigger, isn't it? Pretty awesome how they can fabricate for our climate. Because Malaysia, I think, is very hardy, isn't it? Huh? Yeah. Check
this is
that.
a paint type, but the latest model we are going to do it at the
Powder coat.
powder coat. So you can use for van, you can use for 4x4.
Essentially, the mounting brackets is the issue. Once you have your roof bars or roof rails or roof rack there, this will go onto your roof rack. And I heard they're building another version, which is a 4-feet version. Will fit, smaller one will fit to SUVs. Not that lah.
Not that one, not the A8.
A6. Actually, can lah. You can try lah. You can see here. I mean, this is very thick material lah. How thick that is. It's very thick and strong.
So you can contact us if you have any comments.
Okay. I'll leave Kuah's number down there.
We love to do new things, and this is some of our new models that we are planning to do for our own use lah. Okay, just in case anyone like this, kindly contact us lah.
Okay.
We are having a Facebook page called Best Wing Solution. Okay, you can check it out. at our Facebook page, Best Wing Solution.
Okay.
Thank you very much.